Hello viewers, welcome to GIRI classes. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss operator algebra. This is the 7th video lecture where we are going to discuss IIT JAM previous year question paper. So let's get started. The value of x px, that is the commutator of x with px, is equal to. This was the question asked in IIT JAM Chemistry 2015. So before going to this result, okay, focus on these concepts, right? Commutator of a with b, that is ab minus ba, right? And if this is a b, that is commutator of a with b is equal to, if you want to reverse it, that means you have to give a negative symbol there or negative sign there, that is ab is equal to minus ba, that is commutator of a with b is equal to commutator of b with a having a negative sign. So to prove this one, suppose I will write like this: minus a b, that is ab minus ba, the common minus is there, that is minus ab minus of minus ba, that is ba minus ab, ba minus ab is equal to ba, that is commutator of b with a, that is minus of commutator of a with b is equal to commutator of b with a, and vice versa, right? So whenever you reverse the operators, you get the negative symbol there or negative sign there. Now already we discussed this one in previous lectures, that is d by dx. When the commutator of d by dx with x to the power n, the value will be n into x to the power n minus 1. It is same as the derivative of x to the power n with respect to x, the value will be n into x to the power n minus 1. If you reverse this one, that is x to the power n d by dx is equal to minus of n into x to the power n minus 1. Using this concept, already we discussed x with px, that is plus I h cut, and x with px when px outside, x with px when px outside, always you put plus I h cut. This was a trick, already we discussed this one. When px outside with x, that is position, that will be plus I h cut. If this is x to the power n, just put n into x to the power n minus 1. If this n, that is power upon px operator, that is n into px to the power n minus 1. Very easy to remember. You find the n, you put n into x to the power n minus 1, you put the power on px, then you find the value n into px to the power n minus 1. If you just reverse this one or simply remember this one, px inside, px inside, px inside, then it will be minus I h cut, minus I h cut, minus I h cut. If to the power n with px, that is n into px to the power n minus 1. If it is with x, then that will be n into x to the power n minus 1. If this is with x and there is no power, just put minus I h cut there. Already we discussed, if this will be like this, y with py, y with py, the result will be plus I h cut. Same coordinate, you will get I h cut. If you are different coordinates like this, y z, the value will be 0. Same coordinate, the value will not be 0. And already we discussed this one, that was partial derivative, that is partial derivative with the position or its power, okay? If these are having same coordinate, the result will not be 0. That is, they don't commute. This is minus I h cut del by del x. Already we discussed this one, just follow previous lectures. That is minus I h cut del by del x. This is partial derivative, that is with respect to s, this is with respect to x. The value will be I h cut. The value will not be 0. The value will not be 0. Already we discussed this one. And an operator commute with itself and its power. Already discussed this one. Okay. So find out those points in the previous lectures. Okay. And multiplication operator, two multiplication operator, they both commute with each other. Therefore, the result will be 0. The commutation result will be 0. Already we discussed these ones, right? So now coming to the point, if you have I h cut, just you can write like this. You can write like this: h cut is equal to h by 2 pi. H cut is equal to h by 2 pi. That is I h by 2 pi. I h by 2 pi, and multiply with I and with numerator and denominator, because now if you write like this, then it will be wrong, because you are multiplying with someone and you have to divide this the same quantity also, same value also, otherwise it will have the odd uneven value to justify your answer. So multiply with I and multiply with I, both numerator and denominator. So result will be I square h by 2 pi I, that is minus h by 2 pi. And you know that already, that is I is equal to root over minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1, and minus of I square is equal to minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. Already we discussed. Similarly for I h cut, you can write like this, I h cut into I, that is I square h cut by I, that is minus h cut by I minus h by 2 pi I. You can write like this. So what the results we finally got, that is I h cut is equal to minus h cut by I, right, minus h cut by I, and that is minus h by 2 pi I, right, or you can write like this, that is I h by 2 pi, I h by 2 pi, or you can write like this. This is minus I h cut is equal to, just remove negative here, just use positive here, that is h cut by I, h by 2 pi I, and you can write like this, this is minus I h by 2 pi, minus I h by 2 pi, if this is value like this, if this is value like this. Clear this part? Now coming to the question, very easy, that is x px outside, no power there, that is plus I h cut. Okay, I h cut can be represented like this, this is plus, that means this will be negative, that is minus I h cut by I, minus h cut by I, that is minus h by, you can put in terms of h cut is equal to h by 2 pi, that is minus h by 2 pi I, or you can write like this, I h by 2 pi, you can put like this, h cut is equal to h by 2 pi. Just practice it, you will clarify your answer. So what is the answer? Answer is called option D. So this is it for today, because we discussed only IIT JAM chemistry question for operator algebra that was asked in 2015. So thank you very much for watching GIRI classes. So if you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe this channel, and thank you very much for giving your valuable time. Thank you very much.